It looked like it, but it's not. Welcome to the Winter Park Farmers Market. Here, you can see produce that you don't have in your backyard. You can't plant everything. Your backyard might not be able to hold everything, but here we are, and I'm on the hunt to see unique things that are present out here today. So come with me, we're gonna see what's here, and we'll learn together, grow together, and we'll sow in our own gardens together. Let's go. So I have that.
Yeah, you can pick out what you want.
Had some prices.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Is that a little dachshund in that bag? Yes. That's great. I have two of them. Oh, really? Yeah. Hi there. Oh, yeah. Dijon.
Sweet potatoes, $2 a box. Wow. Celery. Wow. Wow, look at these lettuce. Alright, let me look on the Idaho potatoes, red onions. I have cucumbers.
This means I don't have to go someplace else. Thank you.
Look at these sweet peppers. Wow. That's 25. Oh wow, 25. Okay, you want to try one? Oh, thank you.
You know the whole breakout, the cyclosporin.
Yeah.
That's why I'm just buying local things.
Look,
But there's
that
no
is
berries.
crazy.
I wanted berries.
Oh. Come. Let me get you on camera. I'm joking. Let me ask this lady. Go ahead. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh jeez. My God. Woo. Okra. $7. Oh my God. Whoa. My favorites. Another good one. Gardenia. This is a gardenia and on them banana trees.
No, so these.
But it's not.
Bread if you want to.
Oh,
I'm telling you. That's a robust one. And
this
that's very
is
high on
good.
polyphenol.
So which bottle this came from? Gin, olive oil, and this says cold phenol. Okay, various sizes. Oh, and a bigger bottle. Same thing. Okay. This tastes real good. Oh wow, thank you. Yeah, this is good. You can see the code on the screen. You can go on and see other products from this store. This is good. Pears, jam, jellies. Oh, beautiful. So these are some nice cute jars here. This says gingers.
Berry, strawberry, habanero, and frog.
And
is
frog.
big, raspberry, orange, and ginger.
And okay, all right, let me see. You hear that? You gotta try them all. So I'm trying the frog. Oh, that's good. It's not too sweet. It's just right. Strawberry. Strawberry habanero. Yeah, it got a little bit of kick to it. It's not bad. Mango raspberry. This is the other one. I'm gonna be biased. The mango is my favorite because mango is my favorite. But it tastes good. It really tastes good. So I want y'all to see this array though, because like I see the ginger. That one caught my eye. They have the bread and butter, all of them, corn relish. It's real good. Over here we have honey, natural honey that they're showing here. Here now I'm approaching a photo booth. If you come to the farmers market, there's a lot in store that you can see. Food, fun, anything. All right, and here we are. But I'm gonna keep moving, keep walking. Hope you're enjoying this, and there's a lot for you to see, so come along. Thank you. Thank you very much. You too.
Yeah, they actually found her in Alabama off the side of the works.